In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the problem of none of your interior lights working on your 2017 to 2018 Hyundai Elantra. And most often the fix is just a bad fuse. And the good thing is your car comes with a spare fuse. So let's go ahead and get started. Right by where the driver's left side foot goes, there's the primary hood release lever. Pull it. Now in front of the vehicle on top of the Hyundai emblem there, put one finger in there and push it left. That's the secondary hood release lever. Lift up the hood and we need to put the prop rod over there. Put the prop rod in the slot with the arrow marking it. Now that's the engine bay, that's the battery, and to the side of the battery that's the main fuse box. We need to get the cover off. There's two clips. Press the clips like that and pull the cover off. Now underneath the cover you will find the fuse diagram, and that's going to help us locate the fuse puller, which is on the bottom left corner there. That's the fuse puller. Grab it. Now inside the car, right by where the driver's left side foot goes, there's a cover for the secondary fuse panel. Behind the cover, that's the fuse diagram. We're going to constantly refer to the diagram as we are pulling the fuses. Second row from the left, bottommost fuse. That's the fuse for the interior lamps. Pull the fuse and let's take a closer look at it. If that metal strip in the middle there, if it's connected, then it's a good fuse. If the metal strip is broken, then it's a bad fuse, then that's the problem right there. Now, as I mentioned earlier, we have a spare fuse in this car. The spare fuse is the rightmost row, the second fuse from the bottom. Get that fuse out, and now let's put that fuse in the position where the interior lamp fuse goes, and that should fix your problem. Put the cover back on. Now let's put the fuse puller back in its place, and then put that main fuse panel cover back on as well. And that's